Hello YouTube, it's your girl Tay. I'm coming to do a quick and fast review on wet wipes. So, I received these wipes absolutely free from Smiley 360. If you don't know what Smiley 360 is, it's a site where you can get free items to try. All you have to do is do a survey. If you qualify, they'll send you a product and you review on it. So, let's get down to it. I received all three of these, the tube, the singles, and the Go Pack. The tube is in the citrus scent, and I absolutely love that one. That's a limited edition, but it smells great. The singles is in the fresh, and so is the other one. So, what I absolutely love about wet wipes, well, wet ones, the wipes, duh. Anyways, what I love about them is that they're so durable and they can clean any mess. And I mean like any mess as far as your children's faces, children's hands, you know, even if you have to take them to the bathroom, whatever. Like, it's great. I love them. And the tubes I think is great for at home, you know, in the kitchen, in the child's room, whatever, you know, you want to put them. And the singles I think are great to put them in your purse, the child's book bags or diaper bags. And so is the Go ones. I would put those in my car. So I think all of them are great. You know, I love that they have the ones in the tubes, the ones that are singles, and the ones to go, because, I mean, it's just so versatile when it's coming to wet ones, right? But I'm pretty sure you guys know all about wet ones, so I'm not going to continue to go long and over talk on this review. So thank you for watching and tuning in. Like I said, try Smile 360. It's absolutely free for those who hasn't. And let me know what you guys got, who has. Alrighty, I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.